Want to know how to check apps using internet on Windows? Let me show you 3 quick and easy ways to check. Let's get started. Method 1. Task Manager. First, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Look for the Network column. This shows real-time internet usage for each app. You can click on the column to sort apps from highest to lowest usage. Simple and super fast. Method 2. Resource Monitor. Next, press the Windows key and type Resource Monitor, then open it. Go to the Network tab. Here, you'll see detailed activity like how much data each app is sending and receiving. It's perfect if you want a deeper look at what's happening behind the scenes. Method 3. Data Usage in Settings. Lastly, press Windows plus I to open Settings. Go to Network and Internet, then click Data Usage. This shows your total data usage over the last 30 days, along with a breakdown by app. Keep in mind, it only tracks the network you're currently using. And that's it. 3 easy ways to track your internet usage on Windows. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.